Okay, everybody, this is video number 2. This was the propane gas manifold with burners, and these here controlled the air fuel ratio. This manifold is all rusted out, so it's coming out of here. It was a 4-burner system. Let me pan out. In the coming weeks, you're going to see me cleaning this, including the bird's nest that was back there. Getting up all the rust. I'm gonna hit it with some anti-rust stuff, paint it up black. I have a piece of 1/4-inch steel that I'm gonna purchase. That's gonna go over these 2 cross members, and that's for a heat diffuser. The burners that I have for this are H-type burners, so they will they'll fit in here nicely. I'm gonna cut you see, there's a pipe coming up. I'm gonna cut that flush. I'm gonna pan over here, and there's a pipe coming over there. I'm gonna cut that flush too against the wall. Those are gonna be my drains. Down here in the bottom, I'm gonna get some pans from Cash and Carry. It used to be Cash and Carry, now it's the Chef's Store. I'm gonna work this thing up. These used to turn on the fuel and the fuel air mixture valves, but they are no longer viable with the unit that I'm getting, with the hose assembly that I'll be getting. So I'm going to be taking those out